For those of you who may not know, I run a crypto community Discord group. Very briefly, this group is about doing crypto trading together, where I post spot or margin or futures or swing trade signals almost daily. So basically we trade as a group and share strategies, tips, etc. Now my approach towards trades are mostly psychologically focused and not necessarily impulsively or only technically driven. Anyways, what I want to share is answers to some commonly asked questions. First one is why my signals have stop loss that are set loose. Number two, my signals have reward is to risk ratio not so good, risk is high, reward is low. Number three, one bad trade may eat traders' profits made from 3 good trades. And number four, trader may prefer to exit with small loss rather than being stuck in a trade for long, presumably weeks or even months. So since I cannot work individually with each of you guys in a group, that's my portfolio design and management service. So I'm not too sure how each trader calculates his or her good versus bad trades and risk is to reward ratios. So I thought to record my video response and share how I do it, and we can then build a conversation from here. During the month of July, I posted 69 signals, 48 trades were good trades and 21 bad trades. By the way, you guys can go and verify what I'm saying on my Discord channel. So 48 out of 69 good trades is a clear 3:1 success ratio. Most of the gurus advocate a profit loss ratio of at least 2:1 or 3:1, which means that for every $200 or $300 you make per trade, your potential loss should be capped at $100. If we stick to conventional wisdom, my signals or trades are spot on. However, I personally do not necessarily believe in this theory. I'm very much inclined towards believing in the significance of average profitability per trade, or APPT formula, which is APPT equals to PW times AW minus PL times AL. Where PW equals to probability of win, AW equals to average win, PL is probability of loss, and AL is average loss. I would not complicate this video with explaining APPT, but in my opinion, APPT is much better way of looking into average amount that you can expect to win or lose per trade than the risk is to reward ratio. Now that's my personal opinion. You may or may not agree. Now those of you who trade with similar concerns, I think one or all from the following reasons apply, which is why you aren't making most of your trades, to take this as a guideline. Number one, not taking on all trades and being afraid, not sure, etc. Mind you, $500 cannot magically turn into 20K overnight. Number two, not waiting for long enough in this market. Best is to keep readjusting your stop loss and be patient. By being patient, I mean at least wait for 6 to 8 weeks if you have to. Number three, doubting my or your own judgment. I experience this a lot, so I'm pretty used to seeing people make this mistake all the time. When I train traders, even with a strictly professional setting, many newbies would prefer to use their own judgment and they lose on their trades. They make this mistake repeatedly, and sometimes it takes them years to realize that either trust your coach or your teacher 100% or do not trust her at all. There's no way in between. Again, either you trust my judgment 100% or you don't trust my judgment at all. Number four, everything is a risk. Life itself is a risk. If you cannot risk anything, you will risk everything. Number five, crypto trading isn't get rich quick scheme. It is a skill, it's an art. Like any other skill, it is learned and practiced with time and patience and repetition. You have to invest time to learn it. You cannot expect results from efforts you never put in. Number six, when you join my or any group, please give yourself at least 6 months to look into the profits you have made. Number seven, joining too many groups and listening to advices of self-proclaimed gurus who fail to exhibit their knowledge consistently and thoroughly. Now this mistake is usually coupled with constantly hunting for free signals. Please be mindful, there isn't any such thing as free in this world. Everything has a price tag. Number eight, I post around 100 trades a month, spot plus margin signals both combined. In my best knowledge, there aren't many groups who can match my success rate and number of trades. Please correct me if I am wrong. I would love to know your thoughts. If you want to join my trading group, the link would be in the description box.